Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the original Samsung Galaxy Watch. It's been 2 years since this watch has come out, and I just want to talk about how it's held up over these past 2 years and if it's still actually worth it to get. Now, the new Galaxy Watch 3 has been announced and released, so once I get that, I'll definitely do a comparison, but let's go ahead and talk about the original Galaxy Watch here. So this has been my go-to watch for over the past 2 years out of all of my watches for many reasons. First of all, I think it looks great. Even 2 years later, I don't think it looks outdated at all. And if I want to change up the look a little, I can just change the watch face that best fits my outfit and needs, and I can even change the watch strap. Then of course, there's the Galaxy Wearable app to help customize all of my settings as well, so customization is always great. Then aside from its good looks, it just works well. The rotating bezel makes it super easy to navigate through the watch, so you're not constantly swiping through the screen and getting your fingerprints all over it. The buttons on the sides are still working well and are nice and responsive, and it still handles all of my basic tasks just fine. I can make and take phone calls if needed, read and send a text message, check my email, check the weather, listen to music, set an alarm. You get the picture. There's a lot that this watch can do. And the one I have here is actually the LTE model, so I can actually use this without my phone. I can just leave my phone at home while I go to the store real quick or go for a quick jog. I don't have to worry about missing a call or a message since I have that LTE connection. But honestly, it's not something that's needed because most people have their phone on them all the time anyways. Now, when I first got this watch, I was using it a lot when working out and exercising. I mean, it already tracks my steps throughout the day, which is great, but then it has its different options to track different workouts, which is another great feature. But little by little, I found myself not really using it as much when working out because it just started to seem a little big when exercising. I think the Galaxy Watch Active 2 is more for heavy workouts. But don't get me wrong, I still use it when working out, just not as much as I used to depending on what I'm doing, but I definitely still got it tracking my steps throughout the day. Okay, so battery life. Like anything, 2 years later, battery life isn't going to be the same as it was when it was brand new. But battery life has actually been really good for me since day one. When this watch was brand new, I was getting around 4 days of usage or close to that, which is great. Now, 2 years later, I'm not getting 4 days of usage anymore, but battery life is still good for me in my opinion. I'm getting a little over 2 days of usage now, which is fine for me because I can just throw it on the charger overnight when I'm asleep. I never wear my watch to sleep anyway, so I'm pretty happy with a little over 2 days of usage after 2 years. Now, of course, everyone's usage is different, so it won't be the same for everyone. So when it comes down to the question if this watch is still worth it 2 years later or not, I say yes, especially because you can find a great deal on it now depending on where you buy it. It's going for around $240 right now on Amazon, which is a lot cheaper than what the new Galaxy Watch 3 is going for. So if you're in the market for a new smartwatch and find yourself interested in this one and want to save some money, I'll drop a link down in the description below. But if you already have one of these for yourself, how has it been treating you over these past 2 years? Or maybe you got it a year ago, or maybe just recently. How has it been holding up for you? Let me know down in the comments sections below. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.